Welcome everyone to our literary roundtable. Today we have Evelyn, Michael and Charlotte with us, and they'll be sharing their thoughts on their favourite books. Evelyn, let's start with you. Tell us a bit about yourself and the book you've chosen.
Hi everyone! I'm Evelyn, a marketing executive who loves getting lost in the past. My favorite book is The Pillars of the Earth by Ken Follett. It's a historical epic that spans centuries, and I was captivated by the rich characters and the intricacies of medieval life.
That sounds fascinating. What about you, Michael?
Hey, I'm Michael, a computer programmer by day and a sci-fi fantasy enthusiast by night. I want to talk about Dune by Frank Herbert. The world building in that book is just mind-blowing, and the political intrigue kept me hooked from start to finish.
Excellent choices. Now, Charlotte, over to you.
Hi everyone, I'm Charlotte, a teacher who's passionate about contemporary literature and social issues. One of my all-time favorites is The Kite Runner by Kyle Hossain. It's a powerful exploration of friendship, betrayal, and redemption set against the backdrop of Afghanistan.
3 diverse picks already. Evelyn, what drew you to the Pillars of the Earth?
I was drawn to the way Follett weaves historical events into the lives of the characters. It's like stepping into a different time, and the struggles they face feel so real.
Michael, tell us about the allure of Dune.
Dune is a universe unto itself. Herbert created this intricate society, and the characters are so well developed. Plus, the ecological themes really resonated with me.
Charlotte, why is The Kite Runner a must-read for you?
Hossaini's storytelling is incredibly moving. The characters' journeys are heart-wrenching, and it opened my eyes to the complexities of human relationships in the midst of social and political turmoil.
Fantastic insights. Now, let's mix it up a bit. Evelyn, any suggestions for Michael based on his love for sci-fi and fantasy?
Given your love for world building, Michael, I'd recommend The Name of the Wind by Patrick Rothfuss. It has a meticulously crafted fantasy world, and the protagonist's journey is enthralling.
Michael, what about a suggestion for Charlotte?
Since Charlotte enjoys contemporary literature, I think she'd appreciate The Underground Railroad by Colson Whitehead. It delves into the history of slavery in a unique way, blending realism with a touch of the fantastical.
Great choices. Now, Charlotte, what would you recommend for Evelyn?
Given Evelyn's love for historical fiction, I'd suggest All the Light We Cannot See by Anthony Doerr. It beautifully intertwines the lives of characters during World War II, and the prose is simply breathtaking.
Wonderful suggestions, everyone. It's clear that your diverse tastes in literature bring so much to the table. Thanks for joining our literary roundtable.